Hi everyone, you are welcome to today's class. This is ICT class for Basic 1. Today's date is Wednesday 24th June 2020, and the topic before us is types of keys on the keyboard. We want to look at types of keys on the keyboard. For some weeks now, we've been looking at computer keyboard. We look at alphabet keys, number keys, special keys, and some of the things that computer keyboard can do. Today we want to take it further, and we have some learning objectives. Says at the end of this lesson, you say to yourself, I should be able to mention some of the keys on the computer keyboard. Then 2, identify some of the keys on the computer keyboard. Those are the objectives for today. So we must be able to mention some of the keys on the computer keyboard and identify some of the keys. Okay, so to aid our learning, to help us in learning, we have the computer keyboard here. It says look at all the keys. Each key has something written on it. Each key has something written on it. As you can see, we have the buttons which we call keys. Some you have symbols, some you have numbers, some you have alphabet, some you have arrows, and all of that. They all have what they do. So it depends on your level. For this level, we will learn some of the basic ones. At the later stage in your learning, you learn those advanced one. Okay, so we move on. I have your content here. It says some of the keys on the computer keyboard are alphabet keys, number keys, spacebar key, enter keys, caps lock key, backspace key. I need to explain each of those to us now. In our previous lessons, we've been able to discuss about alphabet keys and number keys. There are alphabet keys on the computer keyboard with alphabets written on them from letter A to Z. For number keys, they are from 0 to 9. I told you there's no key that has 10 written on it on the computer keyboard. If you want to get 10, you type 1 and then type 0. For spacebar key, this is considered to be the longest key on the computer keyboard. If you're looking at the keyboard in front of me now, that longest key, the longest one, that's the spacebar key. The number keys are the ones with numbers written on them. Alphabet keys are the ones with alphabets written on them. Then for enter key is the one that looks like gun. I can make you see. Enter key is somewhere here. Yes, you can see enter. That is enter key. Okay. For other ones, for caps lock key, I have caps lock key. Enter keys helps you to move on to the next line when you are typing. If you want to move on to the next line, just place your cursor to the end of where you want to move and press enter key to move your cursor to the next line. Okay, and for caps lock key, this one helps us to type in capital letter. This is caps lock key. When you want to type in capital letter, press it, then the letter you type will appear in capital. If you press it again, once the light goes off, then the letter becomes small. So you can always change from capital letter to small letter, then from small letter to capital letter using caps lock key. Okay, then for backspace key helps you to delete, that's from your right now to your left. Yes, If you have written anything and you think you want to make correction, or you want to cancel, you want to delete, you want to erase it, so just use backspace key. Once you place your cursor in front of the letter, if you press backspace key, the backspace key will delete it. So let me show you where backspace key is. As you can see here, that is backspace key. Okay, backspace key. Once you press it, it will delete the letter. Okay, so I think that's some of the keys on the computer keyboard for your level. We'll stop there for now. We are still going to study each of these one after the other in our upcoming lessons. Okay, so down here I have the computer keyboard here with label on them, so you can always make reference to that. Also, you can see caps lock, but you will not see it clearly here. But just to know some of the keys on the computer keyboard, we have caps lock key, we have number keys, we have backspace key, we have delete key, we have arrow keys, we have enter key, we have space bar key, then we have shift key. All of them, they have different things that they do at one point or the other. Okay, so I hope with my little explanation you must have gotten one or two things for today. Today is just a brief reference to the topic. So for now, I want to say thank you for your time. So see you some other time, and bye for now. Okay.